How is Michael Oher related to the Tuohy family?
Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to discuss an extraordinary story of compassion and resilience that transcends the conventional boundaries of family. This is the story of Michael Oher and the Tuohy family, a journey that was beautifully captured in the movie, The Blind Side.
Who is Michael Oher?
Michael Oher is a former professional American football player who played as an offensive lineman in the National Football League, NFL. His life took a dramatic turn when he was adopted by the Tuohy family, changing the course of his future and allowing him to chase his dream of playing professional football.
Who is the Tuohy family?
The Tuohy family hails from Memphis, Tennessee. Sean Tuohy, a successful businessman, and his wife Lee Ann, an interior designer, have 2 biological children of their own. But this family expanded when they brought Michael into their home, making him a part of their family. The Tuohy family became an integral part of Michael's life, both personally and professionally.
How did Michael Oher become a part of the Tuohy family?
One day, Lee Ann noticed Michael, then a teenager, wandering the streets in the cold. Upon discovering that he was homeless, she and her family decided to take him in. Initially, this was intended to be a temporary arrangement, just to provide shelter for a night. However, as the Tuohys got to know Michael and understood his difficult circumstances, they decided to adopt him.
What was the impact of the Tuohy family on Michael's life?
The Tuohy family's intervention in Michael's life made a substantial difference. They not only provided him with a stable home and supportive environment, but they also helped him to excel academically, leading him to earn a football scholarship to the University of Mississippi. This, in turn, paved the way for his successful career in the NFL. The profound impact of this relationship demonstrates how family goes beyond just blood relations and how a single act of kindness can change a person's entire life trajectory. So, to sum it up, Michael Oher is not biologically related to the Tuohy family, but they adopted him as their own son, providing him with opportunities that would eventually lead to his successful career in the NFL. This story beautifully illustrates how a family can be formed through love, compassion, and understanding, rather than merely through biological ties. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the family we choose can have the most significant impact on our lives.